And the United Nations has proposed an emergency plan for crisis-hit Cuba, including tracking fuel use. And this amid talks with the US allowing energy imports, humanitarian services as well. Francisco Pichon, who's the UN coordinator in Cuba, said the $94.1 million plan was proposed to keep critical services running for the country's most vulnerable people and save lives. US President Donald Trump imposed a de facto oil blockade on Cuba in January, deepening an energy and economic crisis in a bid to build pressure on the communist government. Now, Cuba's Deputy Minister of Energy and Mines stated last week that the island, which produces only about 40% of its fuel needs, has gone for 3 months without access to vital supplies of diesel, fuel, oil, petrol, jet fuel and LPG. Amid the crisis, the first boat in a humanitarian aid flotilla arrived in Cuba to support the island. A boat carrying about 30 people, including food, medicine, solar panels and bicycles, arrived in Havana on Tuesday as part of Out America convoy that set out from Mexico last week. 2 other vessels are also en route, and at the same time, Mexican President Claudia Sheinbaum said that her country will continue to have Cuban doctors work in the country. This at a time when other nations across the Americas have ditched their agreements with Cuba's government in the face of mounting US pressure. Sheinbaum defended the program and said that Mexico can't forget all the help that Cuban doctors have offered during the COVID-19 pandemic and in rural areas across the country.
We have a really good agreement that helps us a lot. It's a bilateral agreement that helps Mexico a lot.